Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So, as you can tell from the title, I wanted to try to cut a little bit of bangs. It's like a trend that's going around. Everyone's getting bored. I haven't had my hair done in a while. So I actually had my hair done was January 15th. So it was about 4 months ago, and was used to going probably every 4 months. So I'm at time for like a haircut. She was going more often when I was blonde actually, because I was always going to get it toned. And then I'd be like, just let's do a little trim anyway, like brush up those edges. Anyway, so yeah, last time I got done was when I went dark, so January 15th. And I think it's time to do my hair again. This part here is what I want to cut up a bit because it is so long. We're gonna try to cut it and bring it up, frame it a bit. We call it like a curtain bang, except I'm not going short. That doesn't look good on me. I can like insert a photo what I look like with short bangs, and like that is an old photo, but good. Again, I have a towel on my lap, just one here. Okay, from what I've seen, what's her name? Farah drops cut bangs on herself that are similar to kind of like what I want. I like how it forms the face. So I'm not actually wetting my bangs. I'm gonna do mine dry. But she split her hair in the center. She took 2 fingers, held it here, from the edge of her hairline, and then took it down into like a triangle. So like this. I gotta do it this way. Oh my god, this is difficult. I'm staring at a mirror right behind my whole setup here, and it's not easy. Feels like a small piece, but we can go from here. I want this to be an even triangle. I think that looks pretty good. And then she holds it all forward after she wets it. Again, I'm not wetting mine. And she does a back and forth motion starting from up here. Yeah, hers are more shallow. I don't know. We'll start with this. Like, there we go, got it. So I got my razor, and then she just holds it and does like this downward motion. Hold it. Okay, that's not gonna work. It's too like rough. I'm just gonna do this. I don't know what I just did there. This is difficult on the opposite side. Kind of. A little tapered. Some people are probably just gonna cringe at the idea of me doing this. Alright. Good grudge. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna, like trim up this area too, down here and stuff. Some of my ends are getting real rough, so I'm just gonna. Now I think I'm going to trim up this top layer. Well, here we are. They're the bang area. A little bit shorter than it used to be. And it's looking better. And then I trimmed up the rest of my hair as well. So my little haircut was blonde before having my dark hair back again. Today is Easter, so happy Easter everyone. And if you want to see me making the pie that I'm actually making today, not apple pie. Actually, I already made an apple pie, and it turned out amazing. And that was my first time ever making a pie. And today I'm making a blueberry pie. So we're gonna see how that goes because I have to use frozen blueberries because they're not in season yet because it's still like semi-winter, spring here. But yeah, keep on watching. So weird what's going here. Alright, so right now I'm going to finish off this day with a cup of tea while my pie is still cooling. And I have to fix some nails. So got my nail file, got my light, got a kit of stuff in here behind the dog grooming stuff. But yeah, so I have this one here where the tip just broke out because these are stiletto, and then this one broke in half. This tip broke off, and then this nail, I kind of pulled it off or whatever. So yeah, just gonna do my nails. Sticking everywhere. Fixing tomorrow and change the color. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.